Okay, got my Me-262 out. Bit of a windy day. About 15 mile an hour. I haven't flown this guy in a while. Okay.
Takeoff flaps.
Here we go.
Frame losses 1, holds 0, flight pack 25.3 volts.
Decent takeoff.
Gear up, flaps up. Flight pack 21.1 volts. Flight pack 20.9 volts.
Man, this fan sucked the battery down.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
It sounds pretty rough too.
Flight pack 22.1 volts. Frame losses 2, holds 0. Flight pack 21.3 volts. Flight pack 21.6 volts.
I'm gonna have to drop the tail of my cap down a little bit so it might get in the way of the
Time remaining 2 minutes.
camera. It's just too much sun when I look that way. 20.9, damn. I think this battery is old.
Flight pack 20.9 volts.
Okay, we're gonna land next pass.
Flight pack, no data.
Okay, let's
Flight pack 21.1
set up for landing.
Frame losses 14, holds 0. Takeoff flaps, gear down.
Okay. We're gonna do kind of a shallow approach.
Flight pack 21.6
Wet sun glare is bad.
Flight pack 21.9 volts.
Yeah, alright. We'll call that a decent landing.
0.
A little bit wobbly. Ground effect was pretty rough.
Volts. Flight pack 20.9 volts.
Going to turn. Oh, why is she wobbling? Yeah. She didn't like wind on her tail.
Flight pack 21.4 volts.
Plus, I think the grass is a little in some of the mowed furrows.
Flight pack 20.9 volts. Time expired. Flight pack 20.9 volts.
Yeah, 20.9 volts total pack voltage. So divide that by 6, so I'm probably at what, 3.5 or so. So good thing I went on and brought her down. Okay, well, good flight. I'm happy.